Jenner is an American television personality, transgender rights activities, and retired Olympic gold medal winning athlete who is currently running for the governor of California in the 2021 recall election as a Republican. Family. Former spouse Kris Jenner. Kris Jenner is an American media personality, socialite, producer, entertainer, and manager, businesswoman. He married Kris from 1991 to 2015. Daughter named Kylie. Daughter Kylie is an American media personality, socialite, model, and businesswoman. Daughter Kendall. Daughter Kendall is an American model, socialite, and media personality. Son named Brody Jenner. Brody is an American television personality, disc jockey, and model. Former spouse Linda. Former spouse Linda is an American songwriter, lyricist, former actress, and beauty pregnant winner. Son named Brandon Jenner. Son Brandon is an American television personality. Former spouse Christy Jenner. Former spouse Christy Jenner is an actress. Mother name is Esther Jenner. His mother is a loving and devoted mother. Grandchildren. Grandchildren. Her sister. Brother. Jenner has an estimated net worth of $100 million. He was born on William Bruce Jenner on October 28, 1949. She was born in Mount Kisco, New York. She was known as Bruce Jenner until June 2015. She is of English, Scottish, Irish, Dutch, and Welsh descent. As a young child, he was diagnosed with the dyslexia. He attended Sleepy Hollow High School in Sleepy Hollow, New York for the freshman and sophomore years. He attended Newton High School in the Newton, Connecticut for the junior and senior years, graduating in 1968. Her parents are Ether and William, who was an arborist. He earned a football scholarship and attended Graceland College in Lemony, Iowa, but was forced to stop playing football because of knee injury. Recognizing Jenner's potential, Graceland track coach L.D. Weldon encouraged Jenner to switch to the decathlon. He had a 6-year decathlon career, culminating in winning the men's decathlon event at the 1976 Summer Olympic in Montreal. Given the unofficial title of World's Greatest Athlete, she established a career in television, film, writing, auto racing, business, and as a Playgirl cover model. He setting a third success world record and gaining fame as an All-American hero. He debuted in 1970 in the dark relay in the Des Moines, Iowa, finishing 5th place. He graduated from the Graceland College in 1973 with the degree in physics education. He has 6 children with 3 successive wives, Christy, Linda, and Chris. Assigned male at birth, he publicly came out as a trans woman in April 2015. From 2015 to 2016, he starred in the reality television series I Am Kate, which focused on her gender transition. He has been called the most famous transgender woman in the world. Formerly known as Bruce Jenner, she earned an Olympic gold medal in the 1976. Her stepdaughters are reality TV stars Cole, Courtney, and Kim.